Hey guys, today we've got Austin's GR Corolla on the lift, and this right here is a brand new Tomei titanium dual exit exhaust. Austin, where are you at? There he is.
Hi.
He is very excited, as
excited.
are we. We've got this exhaust from Tomei, and it is going to be extremely light, extremely beautiful, and maybe a little bit loud, which we like.
We'll see. It still has cats. We're gonna leave cats on it. Turbo helps a little bit.
Yep.
Tomei's known for being extremely loud.
Yep.
I've heard it on the NA side. I'm really curious to see how it's gonna sound on this. I'm excited. I've never had a Tomei before. I've always wanted one.
Yep.
I finally got there.
What time is it? It's Tomei
time.
Piece number one.
So we got a mid pipe. Should we do this one at a time, or let's just get it all out? I like getting it all out.
Yeah.
Silencer that I'm never gonna use.
Hanger.
There's two silencers. So there is two variants of this exhaust. There is a single that comes out the middle. The Corolla has 3 exits. This one is the Type-D, the dual. So it deletes the center one, but gives me a tip on either side, which is why there's 2 mufflers out here. Miscellaneous clamps, rubber hangers, some hose, and unique to the GR Corolla, I don't know if you've seen this, the center port has a valve on it.
Yes.
So this relocates that valve. If you disconnect the valve and you just leave it off, it will throw a check engine light. So what this does is it relocates the valve, keeps it there, keeps it plugged in, so the car thinks it's there and it's functioning, but it's not actually connected to the exhaust. It just tucks it away, out of sight, out of mind.
Awesome. Let's unwrap these.
I'm gonna get some gloves. Pause for this brief intermission. It's pretty titanium. If you get fingerprints on it, it will burn it in there permanently. Don't want to do that. Dave, look at it. That's pretty. Next. Hanger, hardware, we'll set all that to the side. Don't really need that right now. Tomei always gives the best care packages. Tons of stickers, a 3D badge, and a license plate frame. Always appreciated. Thank you guys. Ooh, nice. Big pass-through resonator. Look at how
gorgeous.
And I'm pretty sure these flanges are titanium too.
Yeah.
Like the whole,
they appear to be.
The whole thing is. Yeah, you want to get that one? I'll pass the blade off to you. Sir. Look at that. Look at the pretty blue and purple and yellow. Look at the tip. Yeah, that swallows my whole arm.
All right, hold on. You need the other one.
Can we do it? Dual Tomeis. Okay, don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it. There we go.
All right.
All right, Dave.
Beauty shots.
Come with me. Ian.
Yeah.
Let's get to work.
Yep.